This is kind of unreal. I have fish swimming around in my backyard. We gotta name them.
Huh?
We gotta give them names. Good morning, everybody. Welcome back. Plant Abundance here. Happy Sunday to you guys. I'm out here next to my backyard fish pond. The project is now complete. There's a few more things that I'll be doing to this over time, but for now, very happy with the end result here. I was able to complete this entire project in just a matter of a few days in my spare time. The sound of the water from the fountain creates a nice relaxing setting to be out here. And regardless of where I'm standing in the garden, I'm getting all these different shots, different views, where it just adds to the whole artistic aspect of the garden. And what I've come to learn through this whole project is that building this pond really fulfilled a part of me that I enjoy, which is being artistic and creative, especially installing the rocks. So I got to tell you, I had a lot of fun doing this. It was quite laborious, picking up and moving all these boulders around and getting all the bags of gravel and everything, but now that it's all said and done, I'm telling you, it was worth every penny of money spent and every bit of my time. In future videos, I'm going to be sharing with you exactly how I put this pond together in my spare time. This is about 11 foot long and 7 foot wide at the widest point, and I used a 15 by 20 foot rubber liner and an underlayment. I'll be going over water treatment, the different plants that I've installed here, and everything you need to know to put one of these together on your own. So stay tuned for that. I've got an LED light ring at the base of this fountain here that aims the light upward. So at night, the entire fountain is illuminated, which is really cool. And if you've been following along on the channel, you may recall back during my Backyard Food Forest Tour Year 5, I had mentioned wanting to put a pond over here. So getting this done, this is actually a goal that I've had since childhood. Anyway, this is the official reveal of the pond. Hope you guys like it. We've sure been enjoying it so far. Look forward to enjoying it for years to come. So until next time, this is Dan from plantabundance.com. Wishing you all a great rest of your day, and I'll be talking to you again soon. Take care.